Are you looking for a real review of Pizza Money by Ben Adkins? I got it coming up for you right now. Hello, my friend. It is Danny Forts here with Rejection Free Formula. No calling, no chasing, no convincing. So, do you want to build your own SMS text message marketing service without any coding experience and any knowledge? Well, this is the course for you. Pizza Money is the real deal, and I'm going to show you that right now. And so, as you can see, I'm on the page and it says local restaurants desperately need this service and will be happy to pay you to do it. And he wants to show you how to build your own SMS marketing software in under 25 minutes that you can charge local businesses around 200 bucks a month, maybe even more depending on the volume, but we'll get into that in a minute. So I'm not going to go through the sales page because you know how to read a sales page. I'm not going to go through every point of the actual sales page, but what I will do is I'm going to go down here really quick and just go to this part here. It says, here is everything you'll get inside the Pizza Money system. Part 1, building your own SMS list and broadcast service. And this is the secret sauce and is the engine behind this whole thing. Sauce, pizza, get it? In total, this is a 5-part system. It says part 2, how to pinpoint ideal clients that want your service, how to track those clients with your service offering without ever stepping foot inside their business. That's part 3. You could literally even do this from the comfort of your own couch. Part 4, how we close 200 a month clients, our 6-step process. Part 5, how to maintain your client base for long-term success and ongoing monthly income you can stack and continue to earn recurring revenue so long as they keep the service. And so right here, this is the back end of Pizza Money. I'm not going to go into the whole entire thing, but you basically have the intro video. He walks you step by step on how to actually create this service. Now, once you go through this whole process, it's pretty point and click simple. I mean, when you go here, it says how to pinpoint ideal clients that need this service. He walks you through step by step in his own process, how you're going to generate leads and all that other stuff. He gives you the amount of people to actually come up with and the amount of contacts that you need to start generating interest and generating results with this service. In part 3, how to attract the clients for this service without leaving your home. He goes through and he basically shows you all the different methods, which is basically, I want to say there's 2 methods that you're going to use to literally outreach to these clients. And as part of my bonus, I'm going to show you a 3rd one on how to outreach with other clients. And I'm going to show you a whole other service that's going to help you to possibly put this whole entire process on steroids, should you decide to pick it up through my link. Now, I will be shooting some extra follow-up videos to explain what those bonuses are, but I wanted to go through the whole product to be able to speak intelligently on it and to let you know if this is worth picking it up. And I can tell you this might be one of the products of the year, because literally for a $27 price point of what you're going to pay for this product, like, you should be able to generate a client using this system. The best thing is he gives you 60 days, because oftentimes people who buy internet marketing products, one of the things is they lack time in the 30 days. And if you purchase Pizza Money, he's going to give you up to 60 days to implement the process so that you can 3x, 5x, whatever you even pay, so that you can get your first client or paying customer, which will more than pay for what you paid for the course. And so he's giving you 60 days, but it's a conditional money back guarantee. So remember that, conditional money back guarantee. Like, you're going to have to show that you actually went through the product and implemented it before they're going to give you an actual refund. So keep that in mind. And then it shows you how to close a 200-month client, and he basically gives you the script template for you to work with to be able to ask the questions and be able to close a client pretty much on the spot. If you've ever been around Dr. Ben Adkins for any length of time, you know that this guy knows his stuff, and so the script is pretty simple if you just follow it. And then part 5, he's got this simple process to actually onboard your clients. And I even have some extra things as well that he didn't even touch on in this product that's going to help you enhance this offer. Wait till you see it when you pick up the bonus. But with that said, money. And so with that said, if you want to pick up Pizza Money from my link, it'll be in the description below. And I have exclusive bonuses you're not going to get anywhere else. And I also do this for local businesses. And I'm going to show you in one of my other accounts accounts, how I'm actually doing this and working with local businesses and getting right around what Dr. Ben Adkins is talking about that you can close clients for. I've already been doing this before I even got this product. So with that said, my name is Danny Forts with the rejection-free formula. No calling, no chasing, no convincing. And if you want to pick up pizza money from my link, you can do so at rejectionfreeformula.com/pizza money, all one word. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Go pick up pizza money right now, the secret sauce to putting $200 a month in your pocket from each client. Take care. Have a fantastic day. Talk to you soon. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because when I upload more videos and follow-up videos on pizza money, you'll be the first ones to get it. Talk to you soon.